back with 360 and back. And in today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over measurement mode number 3. Now, if you're familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, you can simply type in the measurement tool to get step-by-step instructions. However, if you're not familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, I made a video on it previously, and I would definitely recommend to check that out first. So, jumping into this, measurement mode number 3. Now, this is to be able to measure the distance between any 2 points in a 3D space by using 2 panoramas. The 2 points must be clearly visible in both panoramas. This mode is useful for measuring distances that cannot be measured using mode 1 or 2. They do have, again, more instructions down here, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at my tour. So, a good example on what you can measure with measurement mode number 3 is, say, well, we want to know the length of this chandelier hanging, or this lamp, whatever you want to call it. You'll notice that it's not like most lamps. They're not attached to the wall. They're attached to the ceiling. So if we try to do a measurement mode number 2, it would want us to recognize a wall that we're going to be measuring on. However, it's not attached to any wall. So measurement mode number 3. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and just select the ruler section. Remember, this is going to bring on measurement mode number 1, the most common mode. I'm going to click on it again. Then you'll see measurement mode number 2 and measurement mode number 3. Go ahead and select this one. Now, once you have selected measurement mode number 3, you're going to get a little information pop up that says double click on the image to define a starting point of your measurement. Measurements in shaded areas may have a larger uncertainty than shown. So, again, just like in measurement mode number 2, we want to stay out of this shaded area, and that's okay because we're going to be right here. So the important thing before you invest any time in trying to line up this image is make sure that you have multiple panoramas of the same image that you can clearly see. So we have that, so we're going to do that. So we're just going to zoom in, and I'm going to go ahead and mark this very top chain right here. And I'm just going to double click. That's going to be number 1. And now I'm going to go to the very bottom right here, and I'm going to line it up and double click. So now we have the length from here to there. And now we also see, instead of a measurement, we see a bunch of question marks. Well, it's because it needs that second panorama. So now we're going to go to a different part of the room, which I'm just going to go over. Here's the same picture. I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to zoom in, just scrolling my mouse and double click right here. And then I'm going to double click right here. There we go. Now we know that this chandelier is 4 feet 7 inches. The estimated measurement uncertainty is 1 inch. So it could be 4 feet 6 inches, or it could be 4 feet 8 inches. But it's pretty darn close. So this would be a good example of why you would use measurement mode number 3. That is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email, and hope this answers your questions. Thanks. Bye.